To make your own scatter mosaic, you can start with a blank canvas, or you can use something that's already been created. And then grab some glue, beads, feathers, paper, pasta, pom-poms, or whatever else you have around the house. And then you can even print out some pictures in black and white at the library. Once you have your stuff, the whole family can then have some fun putting it all together. For more ideas about creating mosaics or collages, check out some books at the library. And don't forget, the Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day.